44 gang. Hemi Texas. Stand up, let go. Blue gang don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Blue flame don't stop. Yes, sir. Yeah. Ride hard, dodge the car. Yes, sir. Yeah. Hemi like ride. 44. Yeah. Hemi like yeah. On the road. Yeah. Hemi like yeah.
Hemi like 44. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir. 44 gang, what's going on, man? It's your boy, Hemi like 44, back with another banger, man. Let me get my camera situated. Hopefully it stay. Don't do no moving and grooving like I normally be doing. You understand me? But hey, man, make sure y'all go to Hemiwife44.com and get your merch, man. Go get your merch. You need to get your merch, man. Support the movement. Support the movement, man. Go get your merch. I don't know if y'all can see that type camo Charger I just passed. This little boy right here, he looking at my car like this dude right here. He amazed. He amazed in the front seat. But hey, y'all make sure y'all go to Hemiwife44.com and get your merch, man. Support the movement. Get the best car fragrance in the world. I got the best car fragrance in the world. You understand me? With a little squeeze, 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 squeeze. You understand me? Oh man, I ain't capping with you. But man, this video, man, it's more of a need to know type video. You understand me? For those that don't know, man, there was a new law that was passed in the state of Texas. New law passed in the state of Texas, and it's mainly focusing on, where is that Charger? That was nice. And it's mainly focusing on the street racing and the takeovers and all this and that. Now, let me say this. I know I say a lot. I don't do that stuff, but let me say this. I am a complete fan of that, bro. Like, who don't like that type of stuff? Who don't like that? Like, everybody that's in the cars love burnouts, love swinging, love sliding your car, love doing all this. We all love it. But I just be telling y'all not to do that for this reason right here. Because I've been knowing about this reason. You know what I'm saying? They had been talking about this, but now the law has went into effect. You know what I mean? So this Hemi wife calling me. Hold on. You see all these charges out, because today is wham, man. Like that car right there is from another state. This car behind me, I don't know where they from, but y'all finna see it right here. Can y'all see it coming up? Yeah, they from here. That more nice though. Hemi wife, what's up? I'm on the phone. I mean, I'm vlogging. Come on now, talk to me quick. You're not too sleep.
Call me back.
Huh?
Call me back.
But yeah, so this is the reason, man, that I've been saying it. They had started a new law now. Pretty much for the takeovers, for the people doing all this swinging and stuff. Like I say, everybody love doing that. I love to do that. My thing is, I just know the consequences, and I don't know if everybody. Ooh, that truck sound good. I don't know if everybody knows the consequences, man. But the new law states that now that is considered. It's moving from a Class B misdemeanor to a Class A misdemeanor, and in some cases a felony. Now, I don't know if a lot of y'all youngsters don't know about felonies, but once you get a felony on your record, man, that stops that. Unfortunately, it stops a lot as far as you getting jobs and stuff like that. People don't like to hire people with felonies, and I would hate for somebody to get a felony behind a car, like just trying to have fun in cars. I would hate that, bro. That's like so lame to me, man. You know what I'm saying? But on the other hand, where some of the stuff take place at may be a problem. You know what I'm saying? Or if you're doing it, it's like if it's a business, right? See, my camera keep moving, man. It's tripping. like, if I owned a business, right, and I own a business and they doing burnouts in my parking lot, I'm not gonna like that because you messing up my parking lot. You know what I'm saying? So I see why it's probably too many people complaining, bro. That's all it is. It's probably too many people complaining about it. And it's like so many people complaining about it, they had to take actions. Like, it's certain situations where they wouldn't take actions, but if so many people start complaining about it, they have no choice but to take actions. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's at that point now where they taking action at it because so many people complaining about it, and that's what it is now. It's considered, you can actually get hit with a felony behind this. $4,000 fines, like, all for just trying to have fun. So I'm trying to tell y'all, bro, just pick and choose where y'all do it at. Oh, okay. Just pick and choose where you do it. You know what I mean? Just, if you're gonna do it in a designated spot, a safe place. I know people that's starting to get swinging events together where it's legal. I actually talked to some people where they was trying to get a track and have a spot where you can do that type of stuff, make it legal. I'm all for that because everybody into that. Everybody want to do that, bro. It's just that where it's getting done at, it's not the right place for it. But that's the thing, that's happening because we don't have a designated spot for it. They don't understand, if we had a designated spot for stuff like that, people wouldn't just do it like that. Because if you got a designated spot, then you gonna go do it at that spot. Because for one, it's gonna be more lit because that's where everybody gonna be at. It's legal, so you know what I'm saying? But another thing, man, let's go to the street racing part of this. Now this is where everybody needs to be careful. Like how I'm riding now, and this has happened to me. This happened to me. It was me, Mozzie, and like 2 or 3 more people. Mozzie actually got put in handcuffs. He almost went to jail. The other dude went to jail. You know what I'm saying? So this happened before. So let's just say how I'm riding right now. Let's just say Scat Pack Black was next to me or something, right? And the police is somewhere behind us. You know what I'm saying? And the police is like anywhere in the area. If we both just do this, you know what I'm saying? If we both just do that, bro, I can almost guarantee these police are so tired of what's going on, they gonna pull us over and say we was racing. And at the end of the day, it's their word against ours, our word against theirs. Like, and we all know who gonna win that case if ain't no witnesses, but us and him, we all know who gonna win that case. You know what I'm saying? So, bro, y'all be careful because I'm telling you, that's how it happened with us. Me and Mozzie was at a light. Me and Mozzie was sitting at a light. And this is a true story. Me and Mozzie was sitting at a traffic light. And an old white lady pulled up next to us, said, those are nice cars. This lady looked like she was every bit of 70. Said, oh, those are nice cars. Can you rev it up one time? Rev it up. So we hit the gas. We sitting at the stoplight, hit the gas for her. You know what I'm saying? And when the light turned when the light turned green, she took off. And we took off with her, but our cars are loud. Bro, we went down this street about a half a mile, turned left, went down this street. In the middle of us going down this street, 3 police pulled up. One pulled Mozzie over because Mozzie was way behind me and some other people. One pulled Mozzie over, one pulled another dude over, one pulled another dude over. And when they got done with Mozzie and them, they said they got a call that we was racing. Or the police said he heard our exhaust, so we was racing. So I'm trying to explain to them, like, how can he hear our exhaust, bro? Like, how can you say we racing just off you hearing our exhaust? Like, these cars are loud anyway, bro. Like, we ain't gotta, look, I do got the pedal box. Go get your pedal box. That makes a big difference. If y'all ain't watching my videos on the pedal box, man, y'all go get one of them. Y'all need that. But these cars are loud anyway. So, bro, any day, if a law can have a bad day, bro, be in a bad mood, and see 2 Dodge Chargers together, you know what I'm saying? and say we were street racing when they know we wouldn't, but they just been waiting. They've been itching, bro. The police been itching for a reason to take these cars or pull us over for whatever reason, and now they got a legal right to do it. And when I say legal right to do it, I mean if we are doing something like that, they got the right to pull us over and take our cars. They can take your car. You know what I'm saying? They can take your car now. Also, I forgot to mention that. They can take your car right there on the spot and seize it. You know what I'm saying? That ain't like seizing it, ain't like taking your car, or you gonna get it out the pound tomorrow or nah. It ain't like when you go to jail for a warrant or something and they take your car and you can go get now. They gonna seize the car, you ain't getting it. You know what I'm saying? But it's, bro, y'all just, you know what I'm saying, we all gotta be careful when it comes to that, because they, at the end of the day, they fed up. They fed up. Now it's like they September 31st, August 31st, bro. I guarantee you was some police at midnight at 11:59, August 31st. It was some police sitting on the side of the road like this. Boom, midnight, let's go. You understand me? Bro, they ready, bro. I'm telling you, they so sick of this, they ready. So, man, be careful, because I guarantee you, they gonna make an example out of somebody, man. They gonna make an example out of somebody. They waiting on it. So y'all be careful when y'all on the freeway hitting these cars, especially when you with somebody else, because they gonna say you street racing. I'm telling you now, they gonna say you street racing. Same thing they told us when we was not. Like, I'm sitting here telling y'all, bro, we was not street racing. That's long gone. That's in the past. I can be honest and say, yeah, we was racing, because they done pulled us over. They done did what they were gonna do. That's done with. We wasn't racing though. You know what I'm saying? We wasn't racing. We hit the gas for the lady. Boom, that was it. You know what I'm saying? So, but that law is now in effect, man. So y'all make sure y'all careful out here, man, because they taking these cars. They are taking these cars, bro. They itching for a reason to take these cars. You know what I'm saying? So that's why, which I had been heard that. I think they had been trying to start that. That's why I was chilling. That's why I had started chilling and all that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna get my car too, bro. Like I said before, if I get my car too, I might have some comments. This messed up. This. That they ain't have to do him in life like that. You know he wasn't racing. About a week go by, y'all gonna be watching somebody else's channel. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be forgotten the fact that I ain't got my car no more. You know what I'm saying? So ain't nobody gonna help me get it out. Ain't nobody gonna pay for it. So I'm not gonna risk losing it. You know what I'm saying? Not purposely like that. Like, this is a business. This camera about to get on my nerve. This is my car. I love this car. This was also a business purchase. You understand me? Let's just be real. This was a business purchase. You know what I'm saying? So I can't risk what makes me money. It is what it is. But yeah, man, so y'all just be aware that the police are, they just know they sitting back like this, sitting on the side of the road, waiting to hear some exhaust. They gonna go find it. You know what I'm saying? They gonna try to do some slick stuff, man. So y'all just be careful with that, man. But I just felt like I needed to let people know, because everybody don't know. People don't watch the news. I don't watch the news. Everybody might not knew that. You know what I'm saying? For the most part, everybody might not knew it. But yeah, that just touched down in Texas, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna take it worldwide eventually if it continue to go on in other states. They may have it in other states, I don't know, but they gonna eventually take it worldwide, I feel like. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just be aware and be on the lookout, man, when y'all doing what you're doing. Like I say, bro, do what you do, but do it in a cautious way. You know what I'm saying? Boy, this camera, bro, get in the comments right now. Let me know if this camera making y'all as mad as it's making me. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting sick of this, bro. I'm getting sick of this. That Mustang thing right there. I see. But I just feel like I needed to share that with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I feel like everybody don't know that, everybody didn't know that, so yeah, that's my take on it. But right now, man, I'm actually headed to the bank. You understand me? I'm headed to the bank. And after that, I'm gonna go wash my car. Cause like I said, it's wham, baby. It is wham. We are Mopar. It is here. It's pretty. Ooh, God, that's a mean pothole. Boy, if I had to hit that, it'd have been a whole problem. I would have went straight to the city of whatever city this is. I would have went straight to the city, like, cut me a check. You understand me? But ain't no way that pothole supposed to be there. That's something that's supposed to be fixed. Like, as soon as it pop, boom, fix it. You understand me? You understand me? That, yeah, you can't have that. Oh, I'm about to miss my exit. I'm sitting here vlogging, talking to y'all. I'm about to miss my exit. Can I make it? Can I let me over, baby? Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. I was about to miss that exit. But yeah, man, I gotta go wash my car. And I'm gonna show y'all. Remember that video? I told y'all my car looked different after I wash it. I'm gonna go wash it, and I'm supposed to be going to KD house today to get something done to my car, but man, I ain't gonna be able to make it. My underglow not working, man. My underglow not working. That's my guy. He does everything like that on my car. My underglow not working, so we were supposed to fix that, but I might not be able to make it out there because I gotta go to work. And I was supposed to be going to J Shop to get some stuff done for my wrap and all that, but I might not make that either. I had a long day at the barber shop, man. Fresh fade, not for the babes. You understand me? For one, just for one, babe. You understand me? Just make that clear. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, fresh fade, man. You know. But yeah, man. So as soon as I get to the car wash, and I'm gonna wash my car where y'all not gonna agree, but I'm not gonna go way on the other side of town for this hand wash. That's the only hand wash I know. I'm not gonna go way over there. You understand me? So when I get to the car wash, I'll show y'all my car before and after it's clean. I should have ran that light. Did I say that on camera? It's time to go. Bro, that's a whole nother, I'm telling y'all, bro, that's a whole nother color when my car clean. It's a whole nother color. And they half dry my car. Whole nother color though. We ready. Hey, can they dry? They have dried the car up there. They dry. Can they dry that back part? I don't play that half drying. Go around, make sure everything. No, the half dry my car right here. Man, huh? Yeah, they just half dried some spots. Just this front bumper right here, like right down there. Yeah, man, you gotta get them right, man. I tipped that dude right there $1, so that's enough, man. I gotta get him right. I told him to keep the change, man. Keep the change. It wasn't no $1. I ain't tipping big. I ain't tipping big like that because he ain't doing nothing. He just sitting over there. You know what I'm saying? But I just had to show y'all my car once it was clean, man. That thing looking good. Yes, sir.